The spark plug uses the electricity generated by the ignition coil to create a spark which ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. The intense heat in the combustion chamber, along with the high voltage used for ignition, will cause the spark plug to wear. The electrodes will wear away with use, causing a weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture isn't just right, the spark plug can become coated with carbon or tar, again causing a weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture is too lean, or if the wrong spark plug is used, the ceramic insulator can be cracked. The spark plug should be inspected often, and replaced at least once per year, or more often as needed. Replacing the spark plug is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old spark plug from the engine. I'll remove the spark plug wire from the spark plug, and then remove the spark plug from the engine. Now I can install the new spark plug. Before I thread it into the engine, I need to check the gap between the electrodes. For this spark plug, the gap should be 26 thousandths of an inch. To check it, I'll use the spark plug gapping tool. I slide the gapping tool in between the electrodes and read the size of the gap. In this case, it's 26 thousandths of an inch, and that's exactly what it should be. If the gap were too tight or too large, I need to adjust it. Now that the spark plug has been gapped, I can thread it into the engine. And I'll tighten it with the socket wrench. And I'll reinstall the spark plug wire. And that's how easy it is to replace the spark plug on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.